Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into one of the best self-care subscription boxes out there. This box is called the 180 degree box. Now this box we're going to open up today is for July 2024. So we're going to check it out and we're going to start our self-care process. If you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, I will be posting a link down below. This is all run by a small business owner here in the US, and she does a lot of different deals on her boxes. She also has a members only shop available as well. So once you become a subscriber to her box, you will have access to that shop. And then you can buy items that were previously in boxes. So if you'd like to restock, or she'll just have other items in there that you could always try out as well. So she's set up very well. And like I said, she sends out all sorts of different discounts. I do have a discount down below if you guys do want to sign up and try one of her boxes out. But I believe last I saw in the shop, you could even buy previous boxes. So if there's ever a box that you weren't able to get your hands on, you could always check her shop too. So inside of your box, you will have a welcome sign that says, "Hello, beautiful." I love her box. Seriously. And I know I say this in every video. I love it. It's just the best. But then do you see all of the items down here? Like, she really does pack these. I very rarely have a lot of packing material in her boxes just because she has so many items in there that you don't need all the extra packing material and filler. Which technically says something. I mean, why pay for packing material when we would rather the items anyways? So our theme for July is staycation. So we are having a staycation this month. This one, I think I'm gonna really enjoy. Now inside it will tell you about all of the products that are included, and oh, we have some free bonus gifts as well. Our theme for August is called the Radiant Box. So if you guys sign up now, you will receive the August box and you will be radiant and glowing that month. So first item that we have in here are some really big exfoliating loofahs. These are infused with hemp seed oil. There's a set of 3 poofs in here. So we're gonna have 3 different colors. It's kind of like a light green, and then we have a cream, and then definitely a dark green down below. These will help to exfoliate your skin and make it softer, but it says that it also has the hemp seed oil, which will draw out toxins and fight odors. So you can use these as an exfoliating loofah. Like I said, you can cleanse with it, remove dead skin cells, but it's also going to take away any odors also. This is kind of handy. We also have banana bread this month, but it's not average banana bread because this is granola. So we have a full-size bag from Amazing Graze, and it is the banana bread granola. This bag is going to feature banana puree inside, chunky granola clusters, pecans, and rolled oats. So it's going to be a whole mixture, and it says that you can have this as like a topping on like yogurt. You could eat it straight out of the bag as just like a snack, or if you wanted to mix this in with milk, you could have it like a cereal in the morning as well. So you've got a few different options. The expiration date is July of 2025, so you've got a year to use this product. Honestly, I love granola. The one thing that I like about it is it's so filling. Like, at least for me, when I eat granola, I get so full so quickly. So although this is only 8 ounces, I have a feeling this is gonna go a lot further than it looks. Holy bananas, there's a lot down here. Look, I just took those off the top and there's a lot in here. So my next item that I have is the Bath and Shower Shine On Sugar. It is a brightening sugar exfoliant. So again, we're thinking about our self-care box, and this is all about you and taking care of you at home. And because this is our staycation, we would want to look and feel our best. So this is a sugar scrub that also works as an exfoliant, but it's also going to brighten up your skin. So it's 2 ounces. And it states that this one will give you a gentle glow and it will leave your skin looking bright and silky after using it. There's also a candle inside of our box, and this is called Current Mood. And it will tell you that this is going to feature currants as its main scent. So this is a glass jar that we have here with a wood lid. This is currant, rose, incense, and pomelo, it says. So it's a single wick candle. This one is very good. It smells a little bit sweet, but it's predominantly a floral scent. So it definitely gives me kind of like it's like a floral vacation. I'm trying to think of where I'd be vacationing at that smells this floral, but it's very nice and complimentary. It feels like summer, but I can't think about where I would be going with this, but somewhere. If you are vacationing with a lot of flowers, like maybe you're going to a garden or somewhere, this is what it would smell like. Next up, we have a little baggie with a product in here. So it looks like she sealed this up to make sure that it wouldn't spill in your box. It's from Spa Life, and it is the Shower Shake. So this is watermelon mango scented, which is perfect for summer. I mean, those two scents are my favorite. It says shake before use to activate the formula, then squeeze this wash onto your hands or onto a bath poof. So you would put this directly onto here and then massage this into a lather over your body and then rinse afterwards. Oh, so you will shake it up. Look at that. And it does kind of look like a milkshake. And then you're going to use this as your body wash. Now, I got to smell this. I hope it's a really good watermelon mango. Oh, it is. It's juicy, you guys, and sweet. This is really good. The watermelon is so sweet, but then you get the mango, which is very tropical. This is definitely summer. I think that's my favorite item in the box. I thought the granola was going to be, but nope, that's really good. Next item in here is from Mud Masky, and this is an eye mask. This full-size product will help to take down any puffiness, dark circles, or lines or wrinkles around your eyes. So you'll apply that on that under eye area and around the edge. It also takes down any swelling, and it is a vegan, cruelty-free formula. There's also a gentle exfoliating serum in here from the Selfless by Aram. This brand was just in something else, but it was a green box, and I can't remember now what it was. But I just started seeing this in a couple of other subscription boxes. So I'm not familiar with this brand. However, it is popping up everywhere. So it is a gentle and effective chemical exfoliant. This particular product will feature PHA's salicylic acid, and it's going to work together to exfoliate your skin and give you smoother skin. We're definitely going to be smooth after this box because we have the body smoothers, we've got the sugar crystals, now we've got this one for our face. So we are definitely going to have really smooth skin. But this product is also cruelty-free, and it says that this is a climate-conscious brand. They are using packaging and shipping methods to reduce their carbon footprint. So all of that is included on the box as well. While we're taking part in our staycation, what is better than a good book? So our next item is called Sweet Peas Summer. This is our book, and it says 8 years ago, May Anderson made the biggest mistake of her life, and she watched her high school sweetheart leave California and her. Now, after traveling the world, he's come back home, and they would rather avoid each other than to confront any of their issues. But as she wants to forget and move on, how can she when the boy she used to love is now even more irresistible? This is definitely a romance novel, you guys. So we are definitely going to be needing a glass of wine with this book. But this book retails for $12.99, and there are 300 pages in here. Now, the box owner, Arlene, did think of everything and included a bookmark along with this. So there is one bookmark inside. It is a magnetic folder. So this has a really cute sunflower design. You just place this over top of your page, and then it will save your spot while being magnetic. Ooh, we have a scalp water scaler. So this is supposed to remove buildup and oils on your scalp. Now this features tea tree inside of it, which, as you guys know, tea tree is not my favorite scent. I don't know why. It's one of those scents that every time I smell it, I'm like, I can't do it. But I'm a firm believer in having a clean scalp because it really does help with hair growth. If it's clean, your hair can grow better. So this product is designed to remove excess oils, any product buildup from anything you're using as well. And it says that it's a gentle cleanser that will help to unclog the pores, and it will help to not irritate your scalp either. So it's going to relieve any dry or itchy skin. So you should be able to use this on your scalp and get rid of any flakes. So if you have any flakes from dry skin, this would take care of it. So this is what it will look like. It's a glass bottle here. And then it does have the scalp applicator, so you can actually get right down to the roots of your hair and apply that on there. Last item inside of our box this month is going to be our free bonus item. You always know it's the free bonus item because she'll put it in like a red bag of sorts, so it's easy to identify. So inside we have a pair of earrings. This is what our staycation earrings will look like. They will be gold hoops, and you're gonna have these amazing stones on here. I love how bright these are. They're really nice for summertime. So these ones are gonna be so cute, giving you that pop of color. So we received a total of 10 items inside of this box, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, when I opened it up and I'm looking in here, there's not a single bit of packing material. There's no crinkles. There's no like styrofoam pieces, like nothing. It is filled from edge to edge and top to bottom. She has filled this with product. So if you guys would like to check out the 180-degree box, like I said, I do have a link listed down below along with a discount code. This particular box is sold out at the moment. However, if you sign up, you will receive the August box. And just based off of how many times I've tried this box, this is very typical. It's not like it's a one-off or like, oh, surprise, we got extra items only this month. It really is like this all the time. She's very consistent at shipping out on a regular basis as well, so I never have issues with shipping. But I like the fact that you get so much in your boxes, so much bang for your buck, but it's definitely curated around a self-care lifestyle and really taking care of you. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!